everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys something special. I'm bringing you guys a review on a vacuum cleaner. As you guys know, I've been doing a cleaning series for the last year, and I've been really enjoying showing you guys how do I clean. And one thing I have been using is this vacuum cleaner. Now, I did have the company come out to me and ask me if I could do a review for this, but we are loving this. We do have a different hand vac that is great, but it keeps breaking down on us, and this has been wonderful for us since we've had this. I have been using this for a while now, and I'm here to share with you guys a little review that I got. So this brand is called Homasy. That's how it is. You guys can get this on Amazon.com. So I just want to give you guys like a quick review on this product. Now, if you guys are really looking for like a good vacuum, a little hand vac, definitely try this one. This is the way to go. Now, this is a wet vac and a dry vac. I have vacuumed up a little bit of a wet stuff and nothing really in a puddle yet, but we have used this. So basically it just comes just like this. One thing I do like is you guys can see everything that it vacuums, because then you guys know that it's full. We've already been using it. There's stuff in here. There's even a rock, like a bead rock that my son pulled apart, that it vacuums up. So it's got a really good strong suction. There's a filter in there that you guys can remove and clean up, and they do give you an extra filter that you guys can use. But one thing I do like is they can give you 2 different filters, so you guys can clean it and then, you know, let that one dry. Another thing that it does have is these 3 little light up things. Now, this tells you guys how much battery power is left on the thing. Like, sometimes you can just be vacuuming and your portable hand vac just dies. One thing I do like about this is it has the light, so if I turn it on, you guys can see that the light's on. So it does tell you, you know, how much battery power on. And right when we took this right out of the box, this had its full charge. So we have charged this once already because we have used it. But it's got a good sound to it. It's not super loud. It is quiet. But I'm going to share with you guys one thing I do like I'm going to share with you guys the parts that it does come with, but one thing I do like about it is a cordless vac. So you guys can actually vacuum without, you know, having a cord. So it does come with a portable charger. Now, this thing is super lightweight, and then it has the cord that attaches to it. So you guys can just actually just put this right in here, and that's how it charges. Super easy. You just have it sit like on a little table or something like that in the closet charging. That is so convenient, and it comes just right out. Super easy. They do have this part, so if you guys need to get in a certain crevice, you just plug it right in, and there you go. So it's got a nice long reach to it. I got to do some cleaning. I'm going to share with you guys some cleaning of how I vacuum with this. It also has a couple other parts that I still left in the bag. It comes with the manual, so you guys can do it, and it's a pretty thick manual. It comes in different languages, like 5 different languages. It does have a regular brush nozzle, so if you guys need to get something where you need to comb it out, you got your regular brush nozzle. You also have a rubberized nozzle. It doesn't feel that rubberized, but it's like a hard plastic. But if you guys need to get something, you know, to get something out without combing it out, that's definitely that kind of a nozzle. You also have a brush in case you need to clean something inside that you can't reach, or if something's like clogged up, you got that. And then here is an extra filter that you guys can use too, but like it's just super easy, and that's the filter that it comes with. But yeah, other than that, let's get on to cleaning. If you guys are interested in this, I will have the link below. You guys can buy this on Amazon. I really like it, and like I said, I did not get paid to share with this review. I pretty much just... Okay, so those are all the parts, and now let's get on to cleaning. I'm just going to share with you guys a video on how it cleans. Make sure you guys check it out. It is on Amazon.com, but yeah, it's the Homasy is the brand, and we are really enjoying this hand vac. So let's get to cleaning. am back after using this awesome hand vac. Now, if you guys haven't noticed, I did do a lot of cleaning with it. I filmed some really weird areas. By our patio door, we have some spider webs and everything, and this does suck the spider webs really good. I also had to clean some cat litter because my cat's a pig, and I also cleaned the cat food because she just gets it all over the place. So, and then earlier, Ben was taking this all around the house, and he just is like, I'm cleaning up the house, I'm cleaning up the house. So I love it that Ben actually got motivation, you know, to vacuum stuff. So he's just like, I want to vacuum, I want to vacuum. The battery does stay, you know, we only had this charging, we haven't even charged it once when I first did the review. And then after a while, it did die on me. It just kind of just shuts off on you right away when it does die. But otherwise, we did get a lot of use out of it. So I charged it. It's all charged up, ready to go. Super easy to use, you guys. We've been, like I said, we've been using this for 2 weeks now, and we still love it. It's got a really good suction. But other than that, definitely check out the link below. You guys can get this hand vac all to yourself. Also, I want to say thank you guys for giving me the product to let me review it. I love it because we always are using our hand vac. Ben is always spilling stuff. I had kids over the other day who spilled a whole plate or a whole bowl of goldfish all over the floor, so I had my handy vac and I vacuumed it right up. But definitely check it out, you guys. This is a really good hand vac. I enjoyed it. I'm excited to see what other stuff they make with that brand. But other than that, give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed my nice review of a hand vac. And again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.